Okay, now we are going to solve this exercise 1.2. We are going to solve question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, then now let me explain you about to know first what is real number. A real number, this is a real number. Okay, real number is made up of two types. Number one is rational number, and then second one is irrational number. So real number, what is a real number? Real number is made up of two types of number. That is, number one is rational number and the second one is irrational number. So real number is made up of rational number and irrational number. So rational number, we already know what is rational number. Rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form p by q. Example like 2, 3, and then 2, 1. All these are rational number. Here, what is actually here? 1. Okay. And then irrational number is a number which cannot be expressed in the form p by q. Example like root 3, root 5, and then root 15, and then pi. These are called irrational number. So know first what is a real number. Real number is made up of rational number and irrational number. Okay, till here. Now we are going to solve the first question, is question number 1. Let's see if this statement is true or false. Every irrational number is a real number. Yes, this statement is true, which means that every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. Yeah, this statement is true because real number is made up of irrational number. So how will you write? So you write first like this, continue to write like this. Question number 1, you write first the statement is true, then you write give the reason. Since the collections of real numbers is made up of rational number and irrational number. Since the collection of real number is made up of rational and irrational number. And then let's go now for the second one. Second one, what did the statement say? That every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. M is a natural number, which means m is natural number. We already know natural number is actually, what is it? Starting from counting from 1, 2, 3, and then and so on and so forth. This is called what we known as rational number. So what happened now? Now m is a natural number, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now if you take the root 4, how will we get? Root 4 will get 2. So which is this? Which is this? So which is this? Plus 2. We get here root 4 plus 2. And then again, if I take root 9, I will get 3 plus 3. I don't get minus 3. Or here root 4, I get plus 2 here. I don't get minus 2. So now what happened now? The thing is that what happened now? The thing is that what happened now? The statement said that every point on the number line, this is the number line. You already know number line including positive integers and negative integer. This is all are negative integer. So now what happened? This statement said that every point on the number line is of the form root m. So where m is a natural number. So whenever I take natural number m, suppose I take 4 is a natural number, what did I get? I get positive plus 2. Again I take 9 which is a rational number, and then after root 9 what I did, I get 3. So I didn't get minus 3. So what happened? If I continue on, then I always get positive number. I didn't get negative number as a result. So now what happened? This statement is false. So because in a number line including negative integers and positive integer. So after taking that m is a natural number, but I didn't get negative number. So this statement is false. So every point on the number line is of the form root m. So where m is a natural number, so this statement is false. So what happened now? You write first solution number 2. So the statement of this statement 2 is false. So you write here false, then you write no negative number can be the square root of any natural number. Okay, now let's go next to number 3. Statement number 3 said that every real number is an irrational number. Every real number is an irrational number. Again, this statement, every real number is irrational. Again, this statement is false. Why? Because every real number is irrational number. So this statement is false. Every real number is rational number. No, this is false. Actually, what happened then? 2 and 1, then 3, 4, 5 also is a real number. 6 also is a real number, but the statement say that every real number is an irrational number. Every real number is an irrational. So this statement is false. Actually 2, 3 and 4 also is a real number. So you write like this. Statement is false. For example, 4, 5, 2, 3 and so on and so forth is a real number but not irrational number. Okay.